Grange in Newtown Township, Pennsylvania. All right, we're back at the Grange here in Middletown. I think Middletown, Pennsylvania, Newtown Township, Pennsylvania.
Sure, if you say so.
It's Baseball University.
You all right, man? I gotta check your hat.
Baseball
It's 12
University.
hours of broadcasting.
Thanks to Jimmy Golden hosting this showcase event. And we now have the M24 Canes versus the 17U New Jersey baseball squad.
For BFA Sports and Baseball U Philly, I'm Doug Stasic, joined alongside my forgetful brother from another mother, Al Fisher.
Forgetful because I can't say what I want to say, but we're ready.
Well, the reality of it is there's a bit of an electricity effect in the air. We're feeling electrified.
Yeah, I'm feeling electrified. We got a little bit of thunder boomers in the background, but too far away, it's moving north of us.
All right, and so getting right into it is the switch hitter, McKee Walker.
Yep. When I first mentioned who's on the mound, that would be Kevin Keel out of ACIT, class of 2021. He's a catcher, right-handed pitcher, and first baseman. And again, it's McKee Walker out of Upper Moreland, class of 2021, outfielder, 6'1", 150, 3.4 GPA. The fly ball to the right side. First baseman's under it. He makes the play.
All right, it's been one interesting day here at the Grange.
And it only gets more and more interesting.
Yeah. So trying to get as much baseball in as possible.
And that was number 42, Mucci, who made the play at first base. That would be Mike Mucci. Keel delivers. First pitch is over for a strike. Fastball at 74 miles an hour. Keel delivers. Breaking ball. Wasn't sure what Jimmy Golden's call was there, if that was a strike or a ball. It's 1-1, so it was a ball. We have Ryan Rambler at the plate.
Glad to see Rambler back. He had a very interesting day yesterday after just absolutely being a monster during batting practice. He got banged up a bit behind the plate, and after a bit of ice, some Advil, and who knows, he made his way back. Yeah, so as you ramble on about Rambler, his actual name is Rambler, and he's out of Germantown Academy. Class of 2021, catcher, 5'9", 170. 1110 is PSATs, and 3.5 GPA. And I believe Rambler got rung up. He did.
Swing and a miss. Swing and a miss. All right, well, gathering my notes. So we've got James Doran, number 1, out of William Penn Charter, class of 2021. He's a shortstop, second baseman, 5'9", 145, the 3.5 GPA. Keel delivers a first ball, fastball for a ball. Swing and a miss by Doran. 77 on the radar gun. And it's going to be a very interesting afternoon for the outfielders. That wind is howling. I feel like we're in a windy city, Chicago. Well, they're renamed Newtown Township. Pitch from Keel, ball high and away. 79 miles an hour.
Hey, nice job over there, Cody. Just remember my ISO on the left-handed hitter when he first comes up the bat. Thanks.
Pitch to Doran. Swing and a miss. He struck him out, so that'll end the side.
Well, Keel.
We'll see the 17U New Jersey baseball squad come to bat.
Keel, nice clean inning there.
Keel was keeling it.
Moved around his pitches a bit. Credit to the M24 Canes who were hungry, and they were swinging their stick.
Yep.
Trying to make some nice.
They did not waste an AB.
Contact happen.
So we have on the mound number 18, and that would be Colin Lewandowski out of Penn Charter, class of 2021. He's a right-handed pitcher, 6'1", 185. He's got a 1350 PSAT, 3.95 GPA.
good look at the
big right-hander.
The big Lewandowski.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Good try.
It's late in the afternoon. Got nothing
Late
left.
in the afternoon. 4:30 comes quick.
Wow.
Feels.
I don't know who's better this afternoon, being a weatherman or being an umpire. These guys have been late 2 out of 3 games they've worked.
I'm telling you, if I came late to work, I'd get fired.
Yeah, Jimmy Golden, man, doing a nice job calling balls and strikes, but
Yeah, no, he wasn't.
finally got a professional here.
I don't know about that. Where is Jimmy Gould? I'm going to razz him a little bit about his.
All right, and so we're going to
Strikes
get
in.
an opportunity to see Rambler on the throwdown.
That would be Rambler again.
Hey, Charles,
Poor-
ISO on second base.
poor Ryan.
Throwdown, please.
So his name is Ryan Rambler. All right. Parents are Rambler. Didn't realize he had a B in his name, but that's okay.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Who's?
Rambler.
Thank you.
Yeah, I got you. See the back of his jersey, there's no B.
All
Ryan
right.
Rambler out of Germantown High School, class of 2021. Will be facing.
Going to get a look at Rambler's pop.
And the big Lewandowski will face his first batter, which is Quentin Klein, number 6 out of ACIT, class of 2022. He's an outfielder. 5'10", 165, bats right, throws right. He's got a 3.6 GPA. Quentin Klein. No relation to Kevin Klein, I don't think. First pitch from Lewandowski. Low for a ball.
He's a little fired up.
Ball high. It's 2-0.
81 miles an hour on the gun. For those of you watching at home, we have a pocket radar screen just above the left shoulder of your view.
Ball hit up the middle, has eyes. Base hit for Klein. He rounds first. And we'll hold there with a single. And that'll bring up number 28. And that is James Mancini. Mancini, Ocean City, 2021. Class of 2021. Is an infielder, right-handed pitcher, 5'11", 160. Bats right, throws right. He's got a 3.0 GPA. Lewandowski stretches. And the pitch. Called strike. 0-1 the count to Mancini.
Hey, Dave Roberts, the AccuWeather forecast guy. Need an ISO on the pitcher and the first baseman, guy on base here.
Klein leads. Ball in the dirt. Nice block by Rambler. Keep it in front of him. So Klein does not advance. And leadoff hitter, Quentin Klein on first. Ball fouled back by Mancini. Lewandowski sets. Pitch. Ball in the dirt. Gets away from Rambler. And Klein moves up to second base.
You go, Ant. Nice action shot there, buddy.
So Quentin Klein at second. Mancini at the plate. Lewandowski pitches. Ball outside. 80-mile-an-hour fastball. The pitch. Ball low. He walked Mancini. And that'll bring up number 4, Ryan Gallagher out of Middle Township, class of 2022. Infielder, he's 6 foot, 185, throws right, bats right, and he's got a 3.3 GPA. So Lewandowski, a little early hole. See how he can work out. Stretch and delivers. Ball in the dirt. Rambler again working hard back there behind the dish, keeping the ball in front of him so none of the runners advance.
He's on point, doing a great job. It's been a good weekend for catchers, I'll tell you that.
Yes, it has.
Well, getting a little.
All right, Lewandowski working out of the stretch. He delivers. Ball in the dirt. Gets away from Rambler. Tough pitch to handle. And both runners move up to second and third.
Look, for Lewandowski, he's in a very precarious situation. So he's looking at a radar gun facing him, and then there's a few guys with radar guns that are sitting there behind him.
Sure. So you think he's trying to reach back for a little bit more.
Oh,
the
nice.
hard ground ball to short. Off the glove, the shortstop. 2 runs will score. And the 17U New Jersey baseball squad takes an early lead. Now batting number 26. That's John Shukovsky out of Buna, class of 2021. The outfielder, right-handed pitcher, 6'3", 180. First pitch call for a strike. He throws right, bats right, and he's got a 3.3 GPA. Shukovsky down 0-1 in the count. Lewandowski checks the runner. Pitch. Runner advances to second. So Gallagher on second. Nobody out. And again, we are limited to 5 batters. So I believe this might be the 4th batter, and it actually is. So there will be one more after this one.
You got to wear those sunglasses more often, man. You're like on point. I don't know what they are, man. They got you laser focused.
How's it cooking?
How's that?
I've seen this good.
Yeah.
You got good on.
Lewandowski delivers. Ground ball to third. Tough hop, but makes a nice adjustment. Runner advances and makes it safely to third. That'll bring up
You got to program your
number
mind.
13, Ryan Spina
What you're seeing with what
out of Holy Spirit. Spina, third baseman, 5'10", 175. Bats right, throws right, has a 3.9 GPA. First pitch.
Oh, nasty.
Called a strike.
Lewandowski
That was nasty.
settling in a little bit.
That was the big Lewandowski curveball for a strike.
Yeah, Ryan Spina, I'm sorry, younger brother of Pat Spina. I was expecting big things for him for Holy Spirit this year. Fouls it off down the left side. He's a guy that gets after it, works out like a madman in the gym.
Kind of like you.
Oh, yeah, I work out. I drive by it a lot. I don't really,
That's what I meant.
there's Rambler. Working hard, man.
He's doing a great job of keeping the ball in front of him. I mean, he's had a tough time, and he's composing himself very well.
Some ominous skies in
Big time.
right field.
See that shot on the camera. It's hard ground ball to first base. Bobbles and adjusts, makes the play, and that should end the inning because that is 5 batters, and we will do a quick turnaround.
Yeah,
The M24 Canes coming to bat.
Lots of quickness.
Does it mean anything when you see a funnel cloud coming out of the sky?
Well, I mean, it makes for interesting TV.
Mm-hmm.
But other than that, I'll tell you, though, I know we've been joking about the weather peeking in and out all day long after some early rain. And our camera crew is keeping an eye on the sky. So if we need an in-house weather team,
Yeah.
I mean, we have one. We could be like Anchorman.
Well, it's obvious that Anthony Cortez Haynes is not a big fan of thunderstorms because he's talking about the weather over and over again. He's sweating bullets. He keeps making a comment. Is that thunder? Is this? I'm like, really, dude? Come on. The guy's got muscles and everything, man. What is going on?
Yeah, well, our camera guys, they're, like I said, giving updated weather reports. Anthony Cortez Haynes, he's the new meteorologist in-house, and I think he's going to probably give us an update from the Doppler radar. So we could probably listen in. So, Anthony, if you're out there, let's just keep it clean, and we're going to put you on the air with very rigid technology.
I hope he keeps it clean.
He's speechless. That never happens. All right,
Well,
back to
he
baseball.
he had a chance to be on the spot. Okay, so back to the Canes. At number 9, Cole Mars. I believe that's number 9. Just double check here. That is Cole Mars. Hard ground ball on the right side. Second baseman grabs, delivers, makes the play. That was Baldino making the play at second.
For those of you watching at home, this is going to be exciting because with the vast challenges that are ongoing, the lighting keeps changing. So please bear with us here for a couple minutes. We're at the behest of Mother Nature.
Still have Kevin Keel on the mound facing number 56, Joey Carfrey out of Methacon. Class of 2021, infielder, 5'11", 192. Got a 3.0 GPA. That's Methacton. There you go. Ball inside. I think the one is blowing the caravan in center field, Mr. Charles Hope. Swing and a miss by Carfrey. Swing and a miss. He struck him out.
80-mile-an-hour movement on that pitch.
So
Keel feeling it.
Keeling it out there. And he will now face number 4, Josh Felter out of Penn Charter High School, class of 2021. He's an outfielder at 5'10", 165 pounds. He's got a 1330 SAT score and 3.9 GPA. First pitch, Keel is over for a strike call. Keel delivers. Fly ball to right side. It looks like good communication there by the right fielder. Great job of calling off the second baseman. I believe that was Mr. Klein.
Yeah, great hustle.
Quentin Klein.
Great hustle getting on and off the field. New Jersey baseball. Fundamentally sound.
But great communication to the second baseman there. Quentin Klein called off the second baseman, Baldino, and made the play. Ooh.
Coach.
Okay, I wonder if we can get a third base.
Coach Mike LaHood, always priding himself, as he would say, they don't just take players, they develop them.
Nice. So Lewandowski warming up. Maybe we can catch up speed on the radar here.
81 miles an hour on the warm-up as he gets loose. Get a little ISO on the pitcher, please. He's got great mechanics. I mean,
He does.
He really is smooth in his delivery.
Yep.
Compact.
Mm-hmm.
Keeps leaning forward, bringing everything home. That's a beautiful thing.
Obviously, he works on his lower body strength and those mechanics. No doubt his velo will go up. Would you agree with that?
The velo will rise. Loosening up, especially this inning here.
I think Ramler's going to shoot down. Nice shoot by Ramler.
Shoot by Ramler. All right.
Okay. I don't like to keep referencing the sky, but oh boy. Okay. All right. So first batter Lewandowski will face in this inning. Looks like it's number 42. It is number 42, Mike Mucci out of Central Regional 2021. First baseman, left-handed pitcher, 6 foot, 180 pounds, throws left and bats left. He's got a 3.3 GPA, and Lewandowski starts him off with a strike call. 0-1 to count to Mucci. Lewandowski winds and delivers. Ball in the dirt. It's now 1-1. Lewandowski sets and delivers. Ball outside. It's 2-1. 79 mile an hour fastball. Just a bit wide. 2-1 account to Mike Mucci. Ball 3. It's 3-1 to Mucci. 3-1 pitch. Called strike. The outside corner. So the count is run to full. Lewandowski sets.
Good decision to take on that.
Yep. Pitch from Lewandowski. Ooh, nice pitch. Breaking ball in the outside corner. Gets Mucci looking.
That was a pitcher's pitch.
It was definitely a pitcher's pitch. And that'll bring up number 44. And that's Luke Salvo out of Middle Township, class of 2021. First baseman, right-handed pitcher. He's 6'1", 225. Throws right, bats right. He's got a 3.9 GPA.
All right. All right, cover up. Where's the tents, you guys?
Hard ground ball. The third baseman off his glove. He got handcuffed on that one. As Salvo really ripped into that one. So Luke Salvo turns on that fastball. He drives it down the third base side.
In case it does start to sprinkle where we're at. Don't cover the shot just yet. We'll try to stick with it here. We got rain in center.
We just lost the camera somehow. Did someone trip on it?
He said his camera's getting wet out there.
No, I meant the.
Does he have an umbrella, or do we need to get something out there for him?
Okay.
He's got some with him. He's putting the box inside the window, so he's trying to reset.
All right. Never a dull moment when it comes to BFA sports.
Where's your puncher guys for those guys?
They're up top. Does he have one?
Again, we have Mike Adelizi at a Middle Township, class of 2021.
Nice work there.
Salvo moves up to second base.
Hey, Garrett, stay wide for now. Don't worry about zooming too much because we're trying to eliminate some movement. I don't have a center field shot.
If anybody at home gets an updated forecast, please give us a call. So Adelizi takes a strike.
Charles, you disconnected, right?
Lewandowski steps off, chases back Salvo. Pitch from Lewandowski. In the dirt. Nice again. Great job by Ramlin to keep the ball in front of him. And here comes the rain. So we're going to have to pack up our stuff.
Timeout on the field?
Yep,
No, maybe.
Should we just start ripping?
Just shield your shot. Or shield the camera, Garrett.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Who are these guys? They're coming in here. We're getting ready to get.
I'm coming in to join a broadcast.
Yeah.
All right, so we got some weather issue challenges that are going on right now. So we're gonna pause because the wind's blowing our camera guys around a little bit here. Yeah, take the camera down. Take the camera down. Take the camera down.
Shut it down. Shut it down now.
All right, so Al.
What am I? Say it. So my partner,
All right, so
has told me he's giving me clear instructions to start taking things down, but now he's giving me the hands up.
Taking the
He's waiting for the hurricane to run through.
So the cameras are down. We got a rainstorm that's blowing in from the left side of the field.
And we're still playing ball.
Even though they're playing ball, we don't have any electronic equipment.
So here's the funny part. If you take a look out to right field, see that grayness? It's raining harder out there than it is on the field.
Yeah.
Over the other side of the fence. See the... Oh, here it comes. Here it comes.
Rain, and
Never
we'll
mind.
be back.
We'll be back right after this rainstorm.